Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host Sunil Sapkota and you are watching Mr. Techie. Today I'm going to solve some of the problems of previous question paper. And if you are new on my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel because this is the only way that I can grow. And please do not forget to comment down your feedback, okay? With that being said, let's go to the programs or questions that we have. Today, I'm going to solve question number 3B from the question paper that has been asked by Pokhara University in year 2018. So here, in question number 3B, I have to create a class named employee, okay? Let's first do this. Let's create a file. Okay. As you all know, first we have to include IO stream just to get input and see in and see out statements. Has include IO stream, and then I'm going to use namespace, okay? Using namespace std. Okay. Now let's go to the question. Create a class employee. So class employee. Let's create a class employee. So this is the signature of the class. Nothing fancy here. Then we have our data members of name, ID, num, and address. Okay. We have name, ID, num, and address. So what we can do is, we know that name is a string, okay? But to do this, we have to import the string header. So I quickly import the string header. Okay. String.s, then this is going to work. And then another one is ID number, and number I can use int, for instance. And another one is address. Address also I can use string. String, okay. Now this is the data members, and then this is the class name, okay? Let's read the question further. Create another class manager with the data members, title and salary. Basically I have to, okay, last semicolon here. Basically I have to create another class. The name of the class is manager. Okay, and we have data members of title and salary. Okay, title is a string, okay, title, and salary I can use integer. SALARY, salary. Okay, we don't need this third one. Okay, so far we have imported this string and IO stream, use the namespace, created employee class and their data members, created manager class and their data members. Now let's see the question again. We have completed the manager class. Now create another class author, okay, and one more class author with data members, book name and price. Okay, so basically I'm going to copy the same class. Okay, the name of the new class will be author with data members, book name and price. As you know, book name can be string, okay? Book name and price. Okay, price can be integer. Okay, we have completed up to here. Okay, book name and price. Now inherit employee class to manager and author class. What this statement says is inherit employee class. So we have a base class employee, so we have to inherit manager and author from the employee class. Okay, that means we have to create here inheritance. It is the child class of public employee. Okay, and same goes with author, because they both are inherited from the employee class. Now we have completed up to here. Okay, manager and author class. Okay, now use get data and in every class is a member function. Okay, class member function. So we need a member function. That's why I'm gonna use public, so that I can call that member function from anywhere in the program. Okay, now what is the name of the function? Member function name get data. And what's its use? Get data in every class is member function to get the required data. Okay, so in order to get all those data, we need to create another one function named get data. Okay, so I'm going to give void return type and get data, and then I'm gonna pass an argument is str and string name one. Let's say a INTB. String C. Yes, use it A, B, and C. Okay, just for examination purpose, but never use such stupid variables name in your real life. Okay. For now, just for simplicity, I'm going to use A, B, and C. So first argument is going to be name, second argument is going to be ID number, and third argument is going to be address. So name is our A, and ID num is our B, and address is our C. Okay. We'll create this get data. Let's see up to here. Okay, and put data function to show every data member. Okay, so we need another function. Return type is again void. We don't need to return any data. So name is put data, and it's not going to take anything as argument because it is just going to print the value of a name, enum, and address. Okay. So name. So we need cout. Name. Sorry. Let's say name is your name, ID is ID num, and what is this address? Address is address. Last, I'm going to end the line. Okay, end line. Okay, this is gonna be our put data function. But remember, what we have to do is get data and put data in each class. Okay, it have written in every class. Okay, so we have just to use it for Control C. I'm gonna copy the same thing for employee class. Okay, and I'm gonna do this the same for our manager class. But for this manager class, we only have title and salary, means string A and string B. Here, A is going to be the title and B is going to be the salary. So title is, just let me copy and paste. I'm so lazy. Name, and here name. Sorry. This name and this name are title. Okay. And this ID number. Oh, sorry. This ID number is salary, and we don't have the third argument, so we just delete that. and after salary, we just delete a whole address thing. Okay, salary is this. Okay, now this is pretty much it. Now let's just copy this. So we have created get data and put data for our employee class and then manager class. Now in author class, we are going to do the same thing. Okay. So here void get data string A is going to be book name and integer B is going to be price. Okay. So we need book name is title and price is salary. This is it. This is it. Okay. And let's just gonna clear this screen and save the file and then run it again. So yeah, it does not throw an error. It means it compiled successfully. Now this is the question. You don't need to write any extra code for the examination, but just to testing purpose, I'm gonna make a main function. Okay, int main. So I'm gonna create employee author A and employee author and manager M. Okay, so we all have e dot get data and e dot put data. Sorry, put data. Similarly, a dot get data author dot get data a dot put data. Similarly, m dot get data and m dot put data. Now, one thing we have to remember is we have to give the argument for every get data. Okay. So employee have 3 arguments. First one is name. Let's suppose say is Sunil. Second argument is ID number. Let's suppose say 1. And third one is address. Let's suppose say pokhara. And then we don't need to give anything input data. Okay, no argument input data. So get data. Author. We have title and salary. Okay? Not its manager. Book name and price. Okay, book name. So author have book name. CPP, C++ book name, and the price is 1,000 rupees. So put data, we don't need to give an argument. For manager.get data, we need manager name, I think, and manager title and salary. So let's just give title, okay, title, and salary is suppose 70,000. Okay, let's try this. First save it. Now let's try this again. So yeah, you can see here. Name is Sunil and ID is 1. Address is Pokhara. Okay, name 1 Pokhara, CPP and 1,000. So name is CPP and okay, I have done a simple mistake, very stupid mistake here. Let me fix this so quickly. Okay. Employee name is name, ID is ID number, and address is address. It's fine. Title is name. Title is, let's suppose say title is and salary is okay. And here name book is and its price is okay. So let's clear this output. Yeah, this is our output. So this is the whole code. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.